me family, another joy for me again. Me people them. Then I am so happily for tell Papa God thank you for me wonderful blessed pikin them. Them pikin are so na wonderful pikin them. Why I say na wonderful pikin them? Me family them. The journey was start with them pikin. As I dey explain now. From day one, them pikin dey na me belly. Them pikin so all the pikin them why been they get them belly. Why don't born before them pikin. The way I feel and the sickness, half sickness the way I go through. I no go through and reach the wire. But then two pikin so Michael and Michaela, the one who I take them belly, I dey get half sickness. I never know say na twin and then na me belly. I never know. I don't go hospital. I do X-ray. I never knew say na twin and then na me belly until one day where I dream somebody they come before me, get some book before in chest. If they come before me so. I see the two picking away, they join together. Then I scared with panic. They are so kind of doing this. Me people in a dream I see them physically, I don't see X-ray, I don't see them. Doctor do X-ray, they don't see them pick here. Until the day when I born, I know say na twin still. But before that, the war break, the rebel then come in. When me tell me don't reach for born and pick here so 3 weeks for la born. Any day I grab for go because every day they show signs say I for born. The time they don't even overdue. As I go, where the pain begin come, then pick go back, then go return. The doctor will say, who's kind thing this? I say, doctor, what happen? The doctor say, now mysterious thing I see. I don't ever see this kind of thing. I say, why? He say, because the pain they come, the sign they show for let you deliver. He say, but I know they see the picking they come. So they put me into drip. They get the drip when they give for me the pain go come fast so that I go born the pikin. Me family then, as the pain they cancel, me body don't begin for one. And if your body they warm, you can't deliver. If your body they warm, you want for deliver, you go if you convert or you go left panda bondi. And so then they make us put the drip off, then they wait and make a they stay back. And the pain they go back, the pikin and they go back in the place. I never knew. Me family until this glorious day, wonderful day, when I say push, I push one picking come out. As the one come out, me people before the doctor, Allah, he said twins. I left the Allah Jesus, now that labor bed day say 25 minutes between the two twin, and the other one come. After that, it not stop though, the battle just starts. We still there inside the war, the rebellion still there. They try for we only do things in common. One day come, chaos take place in the country again. The rebel they begin run up and down. They pass now with street. They one can the whole gun, the whole this, the whole that. We all they run and say that they go and burn the whole thing. We all they run out. Then we don't take Michaela for run. Hoping that the other picking me sister and the other friend will be there to me go take Michael. Lo and behold. Michael, nobody not take her. Michael sit on one green. He left na the parlor. We dey go and run. For let we turn and we not see Michael. We cannot say we don't left Michael. We reverse again, turn back. We go meet Michael. They play in one green na parlor. Wonderful. And not stop there. After that, the war. If you not remember what they say in frying pan, they say, Kutogo don't get, Abadi don't get, so don't get. Then say they na gutter edge. Now they are the lady twin here. My dear, me people the way they listen to me, got an edge or the also go let God give me God mommy. At that time we won't go to Ram, na Barwick Street. By then we dey Kuto Road. We go to me God mommy, the edge of the house. Nobody know the inside also. Now do everybody they on the edge. Then twin and I do with the leader. So fairness. The family. As the war be done begin, we dey go. My husband say, okay, you know thing, you get belly. Now then they say, then they split people in belly, check people and say, let them look the pikin where they inside the belly. I no go able to stand this. Go upline to you people there. He put me in a motoka. Me pikin the twin inside me belly. The belly don't me go. We go as we dey go by Potluck roundabout. Now go meet up the BB truck. Rebel motoka again. As we meet up and nobody know the asking, I the rebel then say. They make sign let we turn go na their own direction where they want me. Me people in a bush now they send we for go. Faithful day. So God be the glory. Let God me give me mama good. Na me mama canong na that motoka, the other people in canong. The place don't dark, the bush then they so. Na me mama butu, he say una follow me. He say no una not timapo. Me and me belle. Na so they go and butu so to me big belle and the other picky that follow me mama. We go boss. Na the host. Na him go take we. The people and say, this woman get belle. This woman if they catch her na problem. The people they don't tell. Na una to kabia in family. God don't do am for we. I tell Papa God thank you. But today, if una they see the glory, please let nobody not jealous with glory because you don't know we story. We don't pass through. So they una tell God thank you for we to win them. Then why I believe say today that they be blessing to everybody. Any side where they go, they be blessing to una. Fend for me motoka the other day. Then we go reach to me family. Now they we dey now, and I get for come back after some time. Me people then twin here. A wonderful people wonderful pikin then twin here. And what pan the twin like Michael so, he be they grow up with dada. But then tell me say, whose kind dada with this pikin they grow with so? He go can't sick boku. So because of that, I be the cotton. As the dada they grow so I they do am. As the dada they grow so I they do am. So then man a wonderful pikin and they all born with clothes though. Michael I born with clothes. Where you see they so. So now two wonderful pikin way God give me, you know. And so let we celebrate them today. I want to tell Papa God thank you for them pikia. I want to give God glory. I want to give God honor. If you see how then they go so today, now so I start the journey. I'm not able to talk all but the journey road it not be small, it not be soft, it not be easy. Honestly, now God na one, not to meet one. Neither now Father. God bless you.